Hello, welcome to University Updates. Today I am here with a new update. And now University Commencement of classes in physical mode for first semester UG and PG courses from the 1st of February 2022. Here is the official notification. For official notification, visit link in video description. For complete information and further details, visit universityupdates.in. app.universityupdates.in. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you can watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.